Aliens and space portals? Some theories suggest that Bermuda is a space portal created by aliens. Many believe that the disappearances are the result of abductions for research purposes. In the vast tapestry of human curiosity, few mysteries have captivated our collective imagination quite like the Bermuda Triangle. This enigmatic region, stretching roughly between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has been the subject of countless stories, theories, and speculations. Ships and planes have purportedly vanished without a trace, leaving behind little more than questions and a sense of wonder that something extraordinary might be lurking in this corner of the Atlantic Ocean. Among the most intriguing and controversial theories are those that propose the involvement of extraterrestrial beings and interdimensional phenomena, ideas that challenge the very fabric of what we understand about our world. To begin, let's consider the foundation of these theories. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, gained notoriety in the 20th century as reports of unexplained disappearances mounted. While many explanations have been proposed, ranging from human error and natural disasters to methane gas eruptions and magnetic anomalies, some researchers and enthusiasts argue that the sheer number and nature of these incidents point to something far more extraordinary. Enter the hypothesis that the Bermuda Triangle may, in fact, be a space portal or gateway, either created or harnessed by alien intelligences. At the heart of this theory is the idea that the Bermuda Triangle is not just a geographical oddity, but a location where the boundaries between our reality and others are thin or even permeable. Proponents suggest that the area acts as a portal, a kind of cosmic doorway through which beings from other worlds or dimensions can travel. This concept is not without precedent in science fiction and speculative science. In physics, the notion of wormholes, tunnels through the fabric of space-time, has been discussed as a theoretical possibility, though no concrete evidence exists for their practical existence. Nevertheless, the allure of such portals has inspired a wave of speculation about their potential role in unexplained phenomena on Earth. The alien connection to the Bermuda Triangle often builds upon this foundation. Some theorists propose that an advanced extraterrestrial civilization, perhaps curious about humanity or motivated by reasons unknown, has established a hidden base or outpost beneath the waters of the Triangle. From this vantage point, these beings might observe, study, or even interact with human activity, cloaked by the region's notorious reputation for mystery and danger. According to this line of thinking, the disappearances of ships and aircraft are not accidents or coincidences, but deliberate acts of abduction, part of an ongoing research program by these otherworldly visitors. Supporters of the alien abduction theory point to certain patterns in the disappearances. They note that in many cases, no wreckage or debris is ever found, and distress signals are either absent or abruptly cut off. Some witnesses, both survivors and those who have narrowly escaped disaster, report strange lights, sudden mists, or inexplicable instrument malfunctions before their ordeal. These details, while often open to interpretation, are cited as possible evidence of advanced technology at work. Technology capable of manipulating the environment, rendering objects invisible, or transporting them through space and time. In addition to anecdotal reports, there are those who claim to have had direct encounters with extraterrestrials in or near the Bermuda Triangle. These accounts typically describe being taken aboard alien craft, subjected to examinations or interrogations, and then returned, often with memories that are fragmented or deeply buried. While mainstream science is skeptical of such claims, they persist in popular culture and contribute to the enduring fascination with the Triangle's secrets. The idea of a space portal in the Bermuda Triangle also finds support in ancient astronaut theories, which suggest that extraterrestrials have visited Earth for millennia. Proponents argue that ancient texts, artwork, and monuments around the world hint at contact with beings from other stars. They speculate that the Bermuda Triangle, and perhaps other locations like it, could be remnants of a global network of portals used by these visitors to traverse vast interstellar distances. In this view, the Triangle is not an isolated phenomenon, but part of a much larger mystery, one that connects our planet to the wider cosmos. Of course, these theories raise as many questions as they attempt to answer. If the Bermuda Triangle is indeed a space portal, how does it operate? Is it a natural feature of the Earth, or was it constructed by alien hands? Why would extraterrestrials choose this particular spot, and what purpose do the abductions serve? Are they seeking knowledge, resources, or something else entirely? And why do the disappearances seem to occur in waves, with periods of relative calm, followed by clusters of incidents? Some researchers have attempted to address these questions by drawing parallels between the Bermuda Triangle and other locations reputed to be sites of high strangeness. The so-called vile vortices, a term coined by author Ivan T. Sanderson, refers to 12 geographic areas around the world where bizarre occurrences are reportedly concentrated. These include the Dragon's Triangle off the coast of Japan, the Algerian megaliths, and the Zimbabwe megaliths, among others. Sanderson and others suggest that these vortices may correspond to points of geomagnetic or gravitational anomaly, which in turn could create favorable conditions for portal-like phenomena. If this is true, the Bermuda Triangle might be just one node in a global network of energy points, each with its own unique properties and risks. Another avenue of exploration involves the possibility of interdimensional travel. Some theorists posit that the Bermuda Triangle is not merely a portal through space, but a gateway between different realities or planes of existence. In this scenario, ships and planes that vanish within the triangle are not destroyed, but rather shifted into another dimension, beyond the reach of our senses and instruments. This idea, while highly speculative, has found resonance in certain interpretations of quantum physics, which suggest that multiple realities could coexist alongside our own. Could it be that the Bermuda Triangle is a natural or artificial weak spot in the fabric of space-time, where such transitions are possible? Skeptics, of course, urge caution. They point out that many of the so-called disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle can be explained by mundane factors such as storms, navigational errors, and equipment failure. The region is notorious for its unpredictable weather, strong currents, and complex geography, all of which can contribute to accidents at sea and in the air. Furthermore, careful analysis of historical data suggests that the number of incidents in the triangle is not significantly higher than in other heavily traveled regions of the world. In this view, the mystery is less about alien portals and more about the human tendency to find patterns and meaning in chaos. Nevertheless, the allure of the extraordinary persists. Part of the appeal of the alien and portal theories lies in their capacity to expand our sense of what is possible. They invite us to imagine a universe that is not only stranger than we know, but stranger than we can know, a cosmos teeming with life, intelligence, and hidden connections. They challenge us to look beyond the boundaries of accepted knowledge and to entertain the possibility that our world is touched by forces and entities beyond our current understanding. For those who are drawn to these ideas, the Bermuda Triangle serves as a kind of cosmic riddle, a puzzle that defies easy answers. The stories of vanished ships and planes, of strange lights and inexplicable phenomena, become threads in a larger narrative, one that speaks to humanity's deepest hopes and fears about our place in the universe. Are we alone, or are we part of a vast, interconnected web of life that stretches across the stars? Are the boundaries of our reality as fixed as they seem, or are there doorways waiting to be discovered, portals that lead to realms of wonder and danger? In exploring these questions, it is important to balance curiosity with skepticism, imagination with evidence. While there is no definitive proof that the Bermuda Triangle is a space portal or that aliens are conducting research in its depths, the persistence of these theories speaks to something fundamental in the human spirit. We are, by nature, explorers, driven to seek out the unknown, to probe the edges of what is possible, and to dream of worlds beyond our own. The notion that aliens might be involved in the disappearances of ships and planes is in many ways a reflection of our own anxieties and aspirations. It embodies our fear of the unknown, our fascination with advanced technology, and our longing to connect with intelligences greater than ourselves. It also serves as a kind of modern myth, a story that helps us make sense of the inexplicable and gives shape to our collective imagination. For some, the idea of alien abductions in the Bermuda Triangle is a cautionary tale, a reminder that we are not always in control, that there are forces in the universe beyond our comprehension. For others, It is a source of hope, a sign that we are not alone and that the universe is filled with possibilities waiting to be discovered. In either case, the theories about space portals and extraterrestrial involvement invite us to expand our horizons, to question our assumptions, and to consider the mysteries that lie just beyond the edge of what we know. As technology advances and our understanding of the universe deepens, it is possible that we may one day uncover the truth behind the Bermuda Triangle. Perhaps we will discover evidence of natural phenomena that explain the disappearances, or perhaps we will find signs that we are indeed being visited by beings from other worlds. Until that day comes, the mystery will continue to inspire speculation, debate, and wonder. In the meantime, the Bermuda Triangle remains a symbol of the unknown, a place where the ordinary rules of reality seem to bend, and where the imagination is free to roam. Whether or not there are space portals or alien researchers at work, the stories and theories that surround this region serve as a testament to humanity's enduring curiosity and our unquenchable thirst for discovery. As we gaze out across the vastness of the ocean, or up at the stars that twinkle above, we are reminded that the universe is a place of infinite mystery. The Bermuda Triangle, with its tales of vanished ships and planes, strange lights and sudden storms, is but one chapter in the ongoing story of our quest to understand the cosmos. Whether the truth lies in natural explanations, extraterrestrial intervention, or something else entirely, the search itself is a journey worth undertaking, a voyage into the unknown that calls to the explorer in all of us. In contemplating the possibility of aliens and space portals, we are also confronted with deeper questions about the nature of reality and our place within it. If such phenomena exist, what does that mean for our understanding of physics, of consciousness, of the interconnectedness of all things? Are we, as some have suggested, living in a universe that is far more complex and wondrous than we can possibly imagine, a universe where the impossible is merely the undiscovered? These questions, while perhaps unanswerable for now, are part of what makes the Bermuda Triangle such an enduring and compelling mystery. It is a place where the boundaries between science and speculation, reality and imagination become blurred, a place where the human mind is free to wander, to wonder, and to dream. As we continue to search for answers, it is worth remembering that every great discovery begins with a question, a spark of curiosity that refuses to be extinguished. Whether or not the Bermuda Triangle is truly a space portal or the site of alien research, the very act of asking these questions expands our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It reminds us that, in the grand scheme of things, we are all explorers, charting a course through the unknown, guided by the light of curiosity and the hope of discovery. So the next time you hear a story about the Bermuda Triangle, about a ship that vanished without a trace, or a pilot who described mysterious lights before disappearing into the clouds, remember that you are hearing more than just a tale of mystery. You are hearing the echoes of an ancient human urge, the desire to seek out the unknown, to push beyond the boundaries of what is known, and to imagine worlds beyond our own. Whether the truth behind the Bermuda Triangle lies in the realm of science, the domain of extraterrestrials, or somewhere in between, the journey to uncover it is a journey worth taking. For in seeking to solve the mysteries of the universe, we come to know not only the world around us, but also ourselves, our hopes, our fears, and our infinite capacity to dream. And perhaps one day, as our ships sail farther and our eyes gaze deeper into the night sky, we will find the answers we seek. Until then, the Bermuda Triangle will remain, as it has always been, a beacon of mystery, a challenge to our understanding, and an invitation to explore the uncharted waters of possibility.